Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Capricorn. Capricorn people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. In this reading, I am going to see your partner's energies towards you, your energies towards your partner, and the mutual energies between you two. Plus, I am also going to see the future potential of this relationship. So let's start the reading for Capricorn. So we have the Emperor. Okay. The World. Three of Swords. Wheel of Fortune. Two of Pentacles. Four of Wands. Wow. Now let's see what is the mutual energy between you two. The Chariot. And the future potential of this relationship will be, wow, the World. So we have World twice in this reading. These are your partner's energies towards you. These are your energies towards your partner. Okay, now let's start the reading. Let's see how your partner feels and thinks about you. Okay, before starting this reading, let me just clarify why this Three of Swords is here. What happened with you? Your partner feels about you that you have been through some hard they see you as you are someone who is heartbroken. Okay, and plus I feel that you your partner feels about you that someone has broke your heart in past. Okay, someone has did wrong to you, and for some of you, your partner feels that you are dealing with some other person. Okay, maybe they feel that there are a lot many options for you in this for you in terms of relationship. So you are not dating, or you are not with the single person only. You are there are a lot of, basically you have a lot many options in your kitty for in terms of relationship with this Three of Swords. But majorly it is it's that's how it is the energy of Three of Swords, and they see you as someone who is very heartbroken. Okay, and also with the Strength card, I feel your person sees you as someone who is very strong. Okay, who has handled all the negative emotions, all the bad phases of their life, all the crucial time. Okay, with dignity, with strong mindset, with determination, with hard work, with maturity. Okay, so the major energy is that with this Three of Swords is that your person sees you as you are someone who is very heartbroken, but also they see you with the Strength card, they see you as someone who is very much strong and mature. Okay, who has handled all the bad phases of their life very maturely. Okay, and very calmly. Now they see you as an emperor. They see you as an emperor. They see you as someone who has the ability to take the lead of their life. Okay, in their hand. They see you as someone who is very strong-headed person. Okay, who is very father figure towards this relationship. Okay, who is very strong, stern, and independent basically. With this Emperor card, I'm feeling that. Also, they see your person sees you as some I mean, maybe because of your past bad relationship experiences, or the Three of Swords energy, you are, not letting your emotions go, or you're not letting your emotions to come out in front of anyone or everyone. So it feels, or it gives them this impression that you are someone who is very closed, as in you have closed your heart, okay. In terms of emotions, your face is numb, your face has no emotions for anyone, okay. Either although you are very kind, you are very passionate, you are posing like an emperor, but you have less emotions. Or maybe they know that you have been through a lot in life, so it's not a good time for you to reveal your emotions in front of everyone, okay. So that's why they are seeing you as you are being very silent towards the people. You are not showing your emotions to the world, and that's perfectly fine, okay. So this World card, they also see you that something has happened, or some chapter of your life has been ended and something new is about to end, okay, for you with this World card. So I feel that your negative energy, that the Three of Sword energy, you are out with this energy now, okay. And the card is saying to me that the negative chapter, or the bad chapter or bad phase of life has over now. It is the time to rule your world, it is the time to rule your life, it is the time to take a steering wheel of your life in your hand, okay. So some new chapter has begun for you in life with this world, okay. That's how your partner feels about you, okay. Now let's see how you see your partner. You, with this Wheel of Fortune, some of you are feeling very lucky with your partner. You feel that you have won some jackpot, okay. With this Wheel of Fortune, you find this relationship as the blessing for you from divine, okay. You see a complete happiness with your person, okay. Plus you also see your person who is very, very hardworking, okay. You are seeing them that they are doing really they are really hard worker, okay. So they juggle a lot in their life, in terms of relationship, in terms of career, in terms of finances, in terms of personal and professional life. So they are very hardworking, and you know that, okay. And you see them that they are juggling a lot of things at the same time. Plus also with this Wheel of Fortune, you feel that you have won some jackpot, you have some wish has fulfilled for you with this Wheel of Fortune in this relationship and with this partner, okay. And with this Four of Wands, as I said, you feel that you have won some trophy, or you have won some jackpot with your partner. With this Four of Wands, I feel that you have got what you wanted from universe, okay. Whatever you have manifested, you have received it, and you have received it in form of your person, okay. This is the reason Four of Wands is here, 1111 is here. It is a divine connection with this Wheel of Fortune. You feeling blessed, you're feeling good luck with your person, okay. And I feel with this Four of Wands card, something new is about to happen in this relationship, okay. As I said, your person sees you with this World card, that something bad phase of your life has been over now, and now you need to start some new chapter of your life. So with this Four of Wands, I feel that some commitment is coming towards you from your partner, some proposal is coming towards you from your partner, okay. So that was your feelings towards your partner. Now let's see what is the current or mutual energy. We have the Chariot card, okay. Okay, so I feel that with this Chariot card, I see that both of you are very much comfortable with each other. Okay, you are very much compatible to each other. Okay, and I feel that this relationship is going to be the one for you. Okay, you are not going to see any other person in terms of relationship apart from your person. Okay, so I feel with this Chariot card that both of you are going to lead this relationship, okay, successfully. Okay, there will be ups and downs in life, but you will be together in thick and thin times. Okay, with each other. This relationship is meant to be together. I mean, you guys are meant to be together. Okay, for the rest of your life. Okay, and both of you are going to lead this relationship with passion, with love, with emotion, with all the feelings and emotions which is required to fulfill, or which is required to make a relationship success. Okay, and the good news is coming. With this World card, I feel that something is about to change. Something new is about to happen for both of you. I feel that something is happening for you in future, so some proposal is coming towards you. Okay, it could happen for some of you that your partner is going to uh, you know to take you out somewhere. Okay, to propose you. Okay, it could be anything. If you guys are in the initial stages of relationship, so it could so they can take you out for dinner, so that they can take you out for some dates. Okay, with this World card, and they can propose you over there. So, and if you guys are dating right now, so I feel that for you, marriage proposal is also coming. Okay, and you cannot deny that, because we have Four of Wands here. Okay, we have Four of Wands. So for some of you, your person is definitely going to ask you for marriage in coming time, so be ready for the new change. Okay, so good luck is coming into your way, something new beginning is coming into your way. God is asking you to turn the page. Okay, now you need to write a new chapter of your life with this World card. Okay, so we have Aries, Leo in this reading. The Emperor card is for Aries. Okay, so some of you could be dealing with Leo with the Strength card. We have air sign as well in this reading with this Three of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. We have earth sign as well in this reading with this Two of Pentacles, the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. We have fire sign in this reading with this Four of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, we have Cancer in this reading with this Chariot card. Okay, yeah. So that was the reading for sign Capricorn. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.